Today's the day we find out what was wrong with Thunder. Obviously we know it's the drive belt, but hopefully get some answers as to why the drive belt only lasted probably not even a third of its lifespan. Yeah, see what happens.
You're right. Rolled thunder through the workshop door. Drive belt gone, couldn't take no more. Said it was changed not long ago. 30,000 miles, turns out no. Put it down and what do we see? Original parts from the factory. Dealer stamp every 5,000 miles, but grease don't lie and neither do files. They took the money, signed the sheet, but left old parts beneath my feet. Working man's thunder blues. Hands in oil paying other man's dues. They said it's done, but the truth cuts through. Now I'm fixing what they said they do. Yeah, working man's thunder blues. Pulley teeth worn sharp and thin. Should have been changed way back when. Belt was hanging on by a thread. One more ride and I'd be dead. Spanners turning all day long. Workshop radio playing soul songs. Sun went down, lights burned bright. Still fighting steel into the night. Real men fix what others fake. Steel and sweat, no shortcuts take.
Right, we got the bike apart. Had to take the side casing, pull that off the swing. I managed to push the swing arm shaft in, squeeze the new belt on, got the old belt off. It's looking highly likely the belt and the pulley has never been changed, as I suspected. So yeah, all I can do is take a load of photos, do a report, send it to RS. They'll go, we don't give a shit. And yeah, I'm left with a bike that's got a knackered pulley on it. So as you can see, the belt, they're all pointy. A few of them are split. And obviously it gave up the ghost. And then it did that. So this belt was supposed to be put on 13,000 miles ago. We've had fun getting the exhaust apart to obviously get the side casing off. Exhaust looks like that's never been off before, although they said they changed the crossover exhaust. But yeah, that's fun. So I undid the two bolts at the back there, and this was just flopping. So this bolt here, it's got a nut on the other side. It's supposed to be attached to the back of the frame, but it's seized on the end of the bolt. It's never been done up properly. So that would indicate that they might have changed that, but I don't know. All the brackets were completely seized. Not one bolt on the bike has had any lube or anything put onto it in any of the servicing. I wouldn't have thought, considering they looked at every 5,000 miles. I don't know. So yeah, I obviously spent over £11,000 in 3.5 years getting Thor Motorcycles to look after this bike. They've done fuck all, done the basics, that's it. It's a hell of a mess. See how we get on. There's one bolt under the exhaust on this side that's supposed to be welded to the side frame. That's all split off. It wasn't even done up. It was loose, so we haven't even been able to undo it or loosen it up. Well, that's the bike back together, but it took most of the day. Yeah, and I've got to check the numbers. I don't think I'll be able to tell from the numbers, but that pulley's definitely not been changed. That's the original pulley on the motorcycle. That's the reason why the belt's stripped. Another convoy, my local dealership charged me over £2,000 to do crossover at 2, belt, pulley. Yeah, disgusting. But there you go, that's Polaris. Glad Polaris are out of the picture, or supposedly. Can't wait.
Working man's thunder blues. Has an oil pay another man's due. They stamp the book